Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install 1Broker account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official 1Broker website. On the home page, look for the sign up button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Provide a valid email address. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Read and accept the terms of service. Click on the Register button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the email from 1Broker. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. This will take you back to the 1Broker website. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, complete your profile by entering any additional information requested. Go to the account settings to enable two-factor authentication for added security. If necessary, make a deposit to fund your trading account. Choose your preferred payment method from the options available. Follow the instructions to complete your deposit process. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading interface. Familiarize yourself with the tools and features available. You are now ready to start trading on 1Broker. Take some time to explore the resources and tutorials provided. Make sure to start with a demo account if you're new to trading. This will help you practice without risking real money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.